Hi, I'm Sarah from Imagine Landscapes, and in this video we're going to be talking about the Knit 2 Together left. I have been on a quest over the last few years to find a left-leaning decrease that looks as good as a Knit 2 Together. The Knit 2 Together just lays so flat and so lovely on the surface of a knitting fabric, and this is the closest one I've found. So in a Knit 2 Together left, we're going to go in through the front of the first stitch on the needle, and then going to bring it around and go in through the back of the second stitch on the needle. Then we're going to grab the yarn and we're going to bring it back through. And to get it sort of through the back and then around, sometimes you have to wiggle your needle a little bit, but wiggle that needle tip and it'll all be fine. Bring it through, and then what you can do is you can pull a little bit on this and then pull when you knit this second or this first plain knit stitch beside it. Just give it a real good tug, because what we're trying to do is pull the extra yarn out of these two stitches so that they don't lay big and floppy on the surface of the knitting.